Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss 100 most important general science questions which is extremely important for CMAT 2022. We have already made similar videos on history, geography, eco and polity. So you can check these videos in our playlist section. So the first question is SI unit of temperature, so that would be Kelvin. The mode of heat transfer through which sun hits the earth, so that is radiation. Hydraulic brakes are based on which law? So that would be Pascal's law. Ozone layer protects against, so that is UV rays, ultraviolet rays. SI unit to measure sound intensity, so that would be decibel, which is also known as dB. The instrument used to measure relative humidity, so that is hygrometer. Light year is unit for measuring, so that would be for distance. The SI unit of electrical resistance, so that would be ohm. You would have seen this sign, right? Ohm. The color of a star is determined by its temperature. So the temperature of a color determines the color of a star. Metal with the highest thermal conductivity, so that would be silver. Metal with the highest electrical conductivity, that would be again silver. The process of production of energy in the sun, so that is nuclear fusion, not fission. Twinkling of stars is a phenomenon caused due to, so that is because refraction of light. A water body appears less deep to the naked eye. This phenomenon is due to, so again, refraction of light. Fiber optic cable works on the principle of, that is TIR, total internal reflection, not refraction. So there is a difference between refraction and reflection. The lens used to correct short-sightedness, that is myopia. So the lens used is concave lens. The lens used to correct far-sightedness, that is hypermetropia, that would be convex lens. Dynamo converts, so this would be mechanical energy to electrical energy. The blue color of sky is attributed to, so that is due to blue light is scattered more because of smaller wavelength. The depth of ocean is measured by which device? So that is sonar. Rear side mirrors use, so these use convex lens. The audible sound frequency range for humans is, so that would be 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The device used for safety of electrical equipments, so that would be fuse. The device which converts AC into DC, alternating current into direct current, so that would be rectifier. SI unit of pressure, so that is Pascal. The SI unit for luminous intensity, so that would be candela. The device which measures the distance traveled by vehicles, so that would be odometer. Mirror used by doctors to closely examine ear, eyes, nose, throats, etc. So that is concave mirror. The theory of relativity was given by, so it was given by Albert Einstein. Cream is separated from milk through which force? So that would be centrifugal force. Kilowatt hour is the unit of kWh, so that is, it is unit of energy. 1 HP horsepower equals to, so it equals to 746 watts. Bats identify obstacles with the help of, so that they use ultrasonic sound waves. SI unit of power of lens, so that is diopter. SI unit of electric current, so that would be ampere. The chemical name of vinegar, so that is acetic acid. The chemical name of laughing gas, so that would be nitrous oxide. The chemical name of milk of magnesia, so that is magnesium hydroxide. The chemical name of common salt, very easy question, so that is sodium chloride. The chemical name of baking soda, so that is sodium bicarbonate. The gas which caused Bhopal gas tragedy, so that is methyl isocyanate. The acid used in lead storage cells, so that is sulfuric acid. To prevent rusting from iron, coating of zinc is done, so this process is known as, so that is galvanization. The main constituent of natural gas or biogas, so that is methane. The gas used by divers for deep breathing, So that would be helium. Which gas is used as fire extinguisher? So that would be carbon dioxide. Brass is an alloy of, so that is copper and zinc. Highest quality of coal. So what do we mean by highest quality of coal? That means that highest carbon percentage and low percentage of volatile matter. So this is nothing but anthracite. Atomic theory was given by, so that is John Dalton. Which acid can remove stains and rust from cloth? So that would be oxalic acid. Which material is used as a moderator in atomic reactor? So that is graphite. Same atomic numbers and different mass numbers, that is known as isotopes. Hardening of rubber is done by adding sulfur. This process is known as vulcanization. So don't confuse between galvanization and vulcanization. Sour milk contains which acid? So that would be lactic acid. The inert gas used to fill electric bulb. So that is argon. The principal ore of aluminium. So that is bauxite. The primary constituent of LPG. So that would be butane. The metal which is in liquid state at room temperature. So that would be mercury. The most reactive form of phosphorus. So that is white phosphorus. To avoid reaction, white phosphorus is always kept under. So it is kept under water to avoid reaction because it is the most reactive form of phosphorus, right? Aspirin is common name of. So that would be acetyl salicylic acid. The chemical formula of quicklime. So that would be calcium oxide. The element with the highest density. So that is osmium. The purest form of iron is wrought iron. Which metal is used for amalgamation? So that is mercury. Bronze is an alloy of, so that is copper and tin. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene. Gas which is known as dry ice in solid form. So that would be solid CO. Water gas is the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Which iron ore contains the highest percentage of iron content? So that would be hematite. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of, so that is vitamin B. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Number of bones in human body, that would be 206. Universal receptor group of human blood, so that is vitamin AB+. Sun rays provide vitamin D. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? So that is vitamin K. The longest bone of the human body, so that would be femur. Which is known as the powerhouse of the cell? So that would be mitochondria. The pigment responsible for the color of human skin, so that is melanin. Very famous question. The functional unit of kidney, so that is nephron. Jaundice affects, so it affects liver. Rickets is caused due to the deficiency of, so that would be vitamin D. The pigment which absorbs light for plants is known as chloroplast. The reproductive part of plant, that is flower. Which endocrine gland is known as master gland? So that would be pituitary. Water is transported in plants by xylem. The suicidal bag of cells are, so those are lysosomes. Each cell contains how many pair of chromosomes? So that would be 23. Water soluble vitamins are, so these are vitamin B and C. Fat soluble vitamins are, so that would be vitamins A, D, E, K. Bile is produced by which body organ? So that would be liver. Acid present in tamarind. Tamarind means imli. So that would be tartaric acid. Blood clotting is aided by, so these are aided by platelets. Platelets help in blood clotting. The largest gland in the human body, so that would be liver. Oxygen in body is transported by hemoglobin. Malaria is caused by, so it is protozoa. Chlorophyll contains magnesium. Who is known as the father of zoology? So that would be Arastu. Ginger and onion are examples of, so these are examples of modified stem. Minamata disease is caused due to the food poisoning because of, so that is because of mercury. Mainly it is in seafood. Okay, so we have discussed 100 questions. So this is the last video. This was the last video of 100 most important series. So there are in total 500 questions of 5 topics. So you can revise them again and again. Also, you can consider subscribing our channel. And if you want the PDF of this video, then you can join our Telegram group. The link will be in the description. Okay. Thank you.